Good morning. The waves of democracy seems to be sweeping Middle East, taking toll on the lives of protesters in Libya now. The unrest in Tunisia and then Egypt saw the toppling of regimes in power for decades. Perhaps it's the turn of Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi to step down now. Looks like some of the gains made in Monday's late rally could be negated this morning as political tensions across Middle East and North Africa continue to simmer. We may start at a negative opening on account of weak global cues. Things could improve later in the day, but the trend as a whole will be choppy and range-bound. Reliance Industry will be in focus after striking a mega deal with BP, but to an extent the stock has already firmed up on Monday. The turmoil in West Asia has had an impact on global markets. Crude oil has climbed past $92 a barrel, while the gold futures has surpassed $1,400. Oil may remain elevated as companies in Libya have shut for at least 1 lakh barrel per day of production. It is trading at a level not seen since October 2008. US markets were shut on Monday. European stocks took a beating on account of the escalating public unrest in Middle East and North Africa. Meanwhile, credit ratings of Libya and Bahrain have been slashed. Shanghai stocks touched 3-month high but are in red today. Japanese shares have slumped after Moody's cut of Japanese outlook to negative from stable. Stocks in Hong Kong and other Asian markets are down sharply as well. Risk tolerance may take a backseat due to concerns over geopolitical tensions, upcoming budget and the F&O expiry this week. The Nifty will see resistance around 5,600 and a support level of 5,480. Balrampur Chini's board will meet today to consider buyback of shares. Ranbaxy, Castrol India and Isab India will declare the results today. FIIs were net sellers of Rs 2.45 billion in the cash segment on Monday, according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 276.1 million on the same day. FIIs were net sellers of Rs 4.44 billion in the F&O segment. The foreign funds were net buyers at Rs 2.44 billion in the cash segment on Friday as per the SEBI website. Mutual funds were net buyers of Rs 798 million on the same day. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise buying Hindustan Oil Exploration in the range of Rs 168 to Rs 170 for the stop loss placed at Rs 165 and the target price of Rs 180. We recommend traders to sell Union Bank February futures below Rs 333 with a stop loss of Rs 339 and for the target price of Rs 321. Our derivative strategy for the day are: long Bata India February futures in the range of Rs 346 to Rs 348 for the target price of Rs 356 and a stop loss placed at Rs 343. Short TCS February futures in the range of Rs 1140 to Rs 1145 for the target price of Rs 1100 and a stop loss placed at Rs 1160. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.